What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to create a PayPal account. So what you want to do is to go to your web browser and you're going to type in PayPal Jamaica. Now once you type in PayPal Jamaica, you're going to scroll down until you see sign up for free PayPal. So click on sign up for free PayPal. Join PayPal today for free. So you have two options. You can create a personal account or you can create a business account. So for this video I'm going to create a personal account. So I'm going to sign up for free. Then ensure that the country that is selected is your country of your choice. So for example, I am from Jamaica. You're going to select the country right here, which is of your country. But my country selected is already Jamaica, so I'm going to leave it as that. So what I'm going to do first right here is going to put in my phone number. So that they can send you the verification. So I'm going to click on next. And they are going to send you the verification code that you're going to enter. So I'm entering my verification code right now. Then what you want to do is to put in your email address, your first name, middle name, etc. So for example, I'm going to put in my email address right here. Yahoo.com, my first name, Ackeem, middle name, my last name, and I'm going to create my password. Then I'm going to click on next. Now you can see right here your nationality. I can put in my date of birth right here. Day 04/02 is your ID type, if it's your national ID or your passport. So I'm going to use my national ID. Then you're going to put in your ID number right here. So let's say for example my ID number. Then you're going to put your address line. For example, so for example guys, so you're gonna put on stay logged in. I have already read the terms and conditions, and then you can put okay. You're almost done. So what you're going to do right here, you can shop with PayPal or you can receive payment. So PayPal send me the confirmation message that my set up my account, so I can get started. So get started. And what I can do basically, you can add your banking information link to your PayPal where you can shop online and things like that, right? Which is very easy by adding your card number, select your bank type, which is a Visa card or MasterCard, right guys? It's very simple and easy. So yes guys, you can skip the payment method and go right here. So you can send and receive cash. If you do some few more things, like let me go over to the notification right here. You can cash out quickly, transfer money in a minute from PayPal by linking your debit card, confirm your email address, and yeah, you link your card. But yes guys, see there my account balance is 0 because I haven't made any transaction as yet into this PayPal account. As you can see at the side, my name right there that I use to sign up this account. I already have app on my phone guys, so what you can do is to basically use app to log in to access your PayPal account much easier and much faster. So guys, if this video was helpful, please remember to smash a like button, subscribe to this channel for more tips like this, and as always, thank you guys for watching, and I see you in my next video. Peace out.